It's all about a very awkward situation that we all are in. As an artist, staying at home and drawing something was a thing that I always wanted to do, but did not think that it will be this much forceful. Very few ideas and very less of creativity, because you can see so many people affected with this virus and dying every day. I don't know what exactly we need to do other than washing our hands, keeping us safe inside, because this is a human born disease. Just all the best to my countrymen and right now to the whole of humanity. I don't know whether it's karma or what, but whatever is upon us is not something that we wanted. Everything right now seems some kind of conception. No one knows what exactly we will be facing in the next 6 months. Economic crisis, food and drinking availability or whatever, we don't know nothing about the future, but all we need to do right now as far as India and our subcontinent is concerned, we need to be at home. We just need to be inside our rooms and keep ourselves self-quarantined, as most of the governments are saying. Let's do this and let's pray. I don't think I have much to say. You do realize that I have tried to show that coronavirus has affected the whole of the world and doesn't depend on caste, religion, the part of the world that you are from, nothing. It's just that you're here and you're affected. Your friends, your family, your loved ones, everyone needs to be safe. From film stars to sports person, everyone is saying, because there are no movies recorded right now. There are no sports recorded right now. It's only us. Please stay safe and inside. And if you love art, I think this is the time you start doing it. Stay safe and stay healthy. Signing off today. Thank you.